In a few weeks, YouTube is launching monetization when it comes to YouTube Shorts, and a lot of creators are skeptical. They don't know how much money they're gonna make. Some people are saying that you're gonna make a lot of money from this, tens of thousands, some of you even hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, and other people think that it's not going to be a lot of money, similar to the TikTok Creator Fund. But I tend to disagree. I actually think creators are gonna make a lot of money from this, and I think the YouTube Shorts Fund is going to allow way more people to create their job once people begin to actually monetize the short form content that they're creating. That being said, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can maximize the amount of money that you're making from YouTube Shorts and exactly how to turn on monetization, because if you don't before February 1st, you're going to be missing out on money. But before we can dive into that, I need you to smash the subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, I've literally uploaded a video about how to grow on these platforms every single day. In addition to that, please shoot me a text message. Here's my phone number, and get into the free course at the link in the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you the best time to be uploading on YouTube, because if you want to get more views on Shorts, which is going to equate to more money, you need to make sure that you're posting at the right time. And I will tell you that 100% free at the free course at the link in the pinned comment below, so please get into it. Now, when it comes to actually turning on monetization, if you're eligible for monetization, YouTube is going to put a banner in your YouTube studio, and you are going to have to make sure that you accept to get monetized on YouTube Shorts and all the other placements you could actually get monetized on YouTube. If you do not accept this, there is a potential that you will get kicked out of the program in about 6 months. On top of that, there's a potential that you are not going to be getting paid. In fact, there's a guarantee that you're not going to get paid. If you don't accept the new terms, and YouTube has changed the terms both on monetization that currently exists and the monetization that's launching February 1st, so you need to make sure that you're accepting those terms. And by the way, if you don't see it in your YouTube studio yet, don't freak out. It may take a week or two for it to actually appear. So long as it appears before February 1st and you accept it, you'll be good to go. Now, when it comes to actually maximizing the amount of money that you're going to be making from this, you need to make sure that you're doing 3 things correctly. 1, you need to be going after the highest paying niches. If you don't know what the highest paying niches are on YouTube, a quick search will tell you it. You could even type it into ChatGPT, or I created a full-length video that you could actually watch about the 10 highest paying niches, and maybe I'll link out to it below in this video. Before I can do that, I need to make sure that you understand something. You need to be going after these high paying niches without sacrificing the current audience that you have. For example, within the niche that I'm in, social media marketing, there are things that I could go after that'll pay me way more money. For example, if I talk about affiliate marketing, it'll make way more money than this current video that I'm making. Or if I talk about ChatGPT, it'll make more money than this current video that I'm making. Or if I make something about how to make money online, which again is kind of within my niche, I will get paid more money from that. Within your niche, there are also subsections that you could be looking at. So what I would do, look at your past videos, look at how much money you got paid from them, and then what you're gonna wanna do is double down on the topics that actually paid you the most amount of money. For example, my highest paid video, I'm pretty sure, is how to make money on TikTok, because it's in the how to make money niche, and YouTube pays a lot of money for that because advertisers want to spend a lot of money to get in front of people that actually watch content like that. So you need to make sure that you're doing that. Secondly, you need to make sure that you have affiliate marketing deals in place, or you need to be selling your own product. This is going to skyrocket the amount of money that you actually make from YouTube Shorts, and it's one of the most underrated things that I see so many creators failing to do. You have to think about it. So many people built a full-time living on Instagram, and so many people built a full-time living on TikTok. Now that opportunity is here with YouTube without ever creating a long form piece of content, because let's be frank, creating long form content comes with a lot of overhead. I have to pay an editor every single day to upload these videos. Right there, that costs me a lot of money, and on top of that, I have to invest so much time. You guys have it easy because you can simply upload YouTube Shorts, and if you want to do long form content, I'm going to show you how you can monetize that and make way more money from it in just a minute. Because there are 2 other things that you need to do when it comes to your shorts. First, you need to be optimizing for a demographic that people actually want to pay to get in front of. If you're creating content for people under the age of 18, well, those people don't have a disposable income, so advertisers don't pay very much money to get in front of them. Be quite frank, it's really easy to get the attention of a 13-year-old, of a 12-year-old, of a 15-year-old, so people won't pay a lot of money for that. But what they will pay a lot of money for is older people, people with a disposable income, and high net worth people. So you need to make sure that you're targeting those types of people within your content, and make sure that you're creating content for that demographic. Again, you can go into your analytics and actually see what this demographic watches, and then you can create content around that. The other thing, you need to make sure that you're creating binge sessions. When somebody clicks on one of your videos, you need to make sure that they watch 2 or 3. You want to know why? It's going to 2x or 3x the amount of money that you actually make. And this is one of the most underrated things that I see so many creators not taking advantage of. Another easy way to do this, put up community posts. If you want to see how to do community posts correctly, go and look what I've been doing with my community posts. I've been doing a great job. It's been getting me way more views. In fact, my views have literally gone up like 200,000 views in just the last few weeks simply by uploading these community polls, and you can do the same exact thing. Now this leads me to the last two topics of this video, which is one, you need to be creating long form content based off of the short form content that you're creating. So many creators are messing this up. If you want to make the most amount of money, you need to be uploading shorts content, finding out what kind of content works, and then make long form content based on that, because it's going to do two things. One, you're going to get paid more from shorts. Two, you're going to get paid more from long form, because as it sits right now, long form does pay more than shorts. So if you're able to create shorts, get paid for that, get leads for that, get sales for that via affiliate marketing or your own program or your merch or whatever the case is, but then also drive people to long form content where you can do a better job of selling them and get paid more money from YouTube, this is going to maximize the amount of money that you're making. On top of that, you need to make sure that you're actually building up an email list. See, so many creators do this wrong. If you want to make real money, you need an email list for two reasons. One, you can continually sell to these people. Two, advertisers will buy this data from you. They will pay you so much more money to send out an email than they will to upload a video. In fact, the amount of money that you could get paid just for an email is going to be $30 to $50 per 1,000 people. On advertising, you're going to be lucky if you make $5 or $10 for 1,000 people. So that's way more money that you're able to make from the same exact audience simply by having a better way to distribute to them. Now, if you want to get more subscribers on YouTube right now because you don't have enough subscribers, don't have enough views, and you think that's the reason that you're not making enough money from YouTube right now, then you need to go to the link in the description below and get into my YouTube mentorship program, where I'm going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube. In fact, if you don't get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days in the program, I'm going to give you your money back, 0 questions asked. This is the best investment that you could possibly make, because you're going to get more subscribers, you're going to get more views, or you're going to get your money back. There's no risk associated with this. Try getting your money back for college. Try getting your money back for that book that you bought. They're not going to give you your money back if it doesn't work, but I will if this program doesn't work and you don't grow and get more subscribers. That being said, there are limited spots available, so please, if you're interested, go to the link in the description. It fully explains it. There are a ton of testimonials. I've literally helped so many people do this, and they have gained a lot of subscribers. I'm talking 100,000, I'm talking 1 million, and the same thing can happen to you if you simply implement everything that I share with you in the program, because I'm going to be telling you what titles to use, how to change your content. We're going to look at your analytics together, and ultimately, I'm going to guarantee that you grow. If you're not interested in that, well, then just watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.